Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can glitch into VIP and wear exclusive items in DTI. So first, you can just follow this path right here. So go to the Catwalk Studio and then follow this path. So climb up here to the roof. You can just climb up to the roof like this and just follow my path right here. So make sure you follow my path so that you don't fall. So just go up straight from here, and then from this intersection you can just turn left. Okay, follow my steps here. Sorry, turn left from here and then go straight again. Okay, so until you see the pillar or the walls at the bottom right here, you can just go in between the pillar or the walls. So go to the bottom just like this, in between the walls, and you can see the love button. Click on it, and once you click on that, you'll be in the VIP room. So now you can just explore the VIP rooms and see the exclusive items from here. You can also wear some of them, so you can just click on the items that you want to use. As you guys can see, I can wear the VIP exclusive items, so you can just choose which one. But you need to know that some of the items might not cannot buy. So here you can see that I need to buy with some Robux, so you can just choose which one that you can use. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.